If you're a Christian mom who's new to homeschooling and you're feeling unsure, overwhelmed, or even unqualified, take heart. You are not alone. When we decided to make the shift to homeschooling, I questioned myself constantly and still question myself. It was and still is a journey of identity shifts and mindset shifts. I went from career mom to career/homeschool mom, did that for about a year before transitioning to staying home full time. And this whole process has been a journey of uncertainty at times, overwhelm at times, but also moments of just reassurance and pushing into God as my primary source for assurance, confidence, and peace. This channel is for moms, especially in those first few years, who want peace instead of panic, confidence instead of self-doubt, and simple routines that actually work in real life. Here you'll find faith-centered encouragement rooted deep in biblical truths, practical homeschool routines and habits to help your days run as smoothly as possible, and tools to help you feel equipped and prepared no matter what the day brings. You don't need a teaching degree or a perfect formula or a perfect routine or the perfect curriculum. You need clarity, grace, and a foundation rooted in Christ. My goal is to help you create calm and connected homeschool where you can enjoy teaching and your kids can enjoy learning together, one simple step at a time. So if you're ready, start homeschooling with peace and intention and confidence. I would love for you to subscribe and join our community. Homeschooling is a challenging journey with a lot of ups and downs, and you do not have to do it alone.